Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we're making some Madras curry chicken, and you'll see in this video I did the curry a little bit differently than how you're accustomed cooking curry in oil or in water. So stay tuned, let me show you all how easy this one is to put together, and trust me, it was really amazing. We're gonna start off with our chicken pieces. I have chicken breast here. You can also use chicken thighs or you can use a combination. And we're gonna add in salt, black pepper, minced garlic, green seasoning, and we're going to give this a mix and set it aside. Now you can let this marinate for a few minutes, for an hour, overnight. Feel free to do whatever you want with it. I'm gonna be using it right away. So in a skillet, I'm going in with some oil. Now you don't have to use this exact pan I'm using. Feel free to use whatever you have on hand. Once the oil is nice and warm, go in with some methi and some whole cumin seeds or geera seeds. Now you're going to let this toast until it turns dark brown in color, and then we'll add in some aromatics. So I'm going to go in with chopped onions and pimento peppers. If you wanted it spicy, you can add a scotch bonnet or a piece of a scotch bonnet. And I'm going to break in a few curry leaves. Usually I'll add that first, but I forgot, so I'm adding it in now. It's still going to add some flavor. So once it's brown, you're going to go in with scallions chopped and tomatoes chopped. I'm using grape tomatoes here because I love the sweetness from it. Season with a little salt and then allow this to cook until the tomatoes start to break down. Now once the tomatoes start to break down, here is where we'll add in our curry powder. Yes, I told you all it's different. So I'm using this Madras curry powder and it works so well for this recipe. So I'm gonna go in with 2 tablespoons. And I'm gonna mix that in. And now the curry is going to cook with the tomatoes and those aromatics, and it will cook, guys. You don't need to cook it in the oil first. You're going to be cooking it here. There's already oil in there. It's going to fry up, it's going to cook, and I would say let it go for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then we'll add in some water just like we usually do to help it cook further. Now you'll add that water in and give it a mix and allow it to cook for about 5 minutes until the oil starts separating from the curry. Now add in the chicken and toss to coat, and you're going to allow this to cook on a medium heat until the chicken is finished cooking and it has a nice color. But I'll show you all my secret ingredient for this recipe. So let it cook up there, let that water, the natural juices, start drying out, and then you can add in water to create a sauce and my secret ingredient, this coconut milk powder. So I'm just gonna pour in that coconut milk powder and give it a mix. Now the coconut milk powder is totally optional. It just adds so much flavor and dimension, just gives you something different than the regular curry chicken you're accustomed to. I'm going in with a handful of chopped cilantro. I'll mix that in, and then this is ready to be enjoyed. You want to taste and adjust your salt. This is great with jasmine rice, basmati rice, or naan, or even sada roti. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. Comment down below, let me know what you think. Leave your future requests in the comments down below, and I'll be sure to add them to my to-do list. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.